Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Seven Nation Army. So the first note that you have to do it's on the A string on the 7th fret. So play that 2 times and then jump to the 10th fret and then back to 7 to 5 to 3 and then 2. So I'm going to play that slowly for you. There you go. So now on the second part, you're going to have to go like this. So first you go 7th fret 2 times, and then go to 10, back to 7, to 5, to 3, back to 5, back to 3, and then to 2. So I'm going to play it slowly like this. And just so you know, the A string is, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A string is the 5th string up here, right next to the thickest string. This is the thickest, and this is the second thickest, A string. So just keep practicing those and try to do them faster and faster. So till you get like I messed up, but it's fine. You just have to keep practicing till you know how to get it faster. So that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. So see you later. Bye.